How to export chat from WhatsApp. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp. And once you do that, go to the conversation that you want to export. Once you're there, click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on More and click on Export Chat. You will get this pop-up window right here in which you will be able to find a large list of apps that are destinations as to where you want to save the or export the text file that contain your chat. So go ahead and choose any one of them and your chat will be exported to the chosen destination. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can export WhatsApp conversations. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.